What's up everybody, Brian with SoCo Customs. Give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, let YouTube know that this is cool. Alright guys, behind me is the last year of the last generation GMC Sierra heavy duty, so that is a 2019. This is a Denali behind me. Let's show you what we did to it. Alright guys, as I said, it was a 2019 GMC Sierra Denali. This is the heavy duty with the Duramax motor and the Allison transmission. So what we did was we went up 2 inches on the rough country kit. This is a torsion key kit, so it comes with new keys, and we just crank the bars up a little bit, make it sit a little bit higher out front. So it doesn't really change anything as far as geometry or components in there. So we went with the 2-inch rough country pocket fender flares. These are the ones with the rivets. Keep in mind that you can either go silver or black with those. Paint to match, make sure that they match this this beautiful Denali black. I guess they call it onyx. These are the fuel cleaver. They are a 20x9 with a +1 offset, so just a little bit off from that center. And then, funny enough, the Kenda Klever RTs. So I just realized right now that the wheels and tires have kind of the same name, but you can see that aggressive tread in there. These are a great hybrid tire, kind of a tier 2 tire that you're not having to pay the Nitto or Toyo money for. You can see the offset keeps it a little bit tucked, actually almost flush in there. And that's what we did to this truck. Alright guys, that's what I got for you today. Short and sweet. Give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, and ask any questions about this kit, wheels, tires, fender flares in the comment section below.